Hello dear students, welcome to our chemistry class. Today now we are in the 9th session of the solid state chapter. That is, in this session we will be going to learn about packing efficiency in the solids. What is meant by packing efficiency? You already know about the terms, that is the close packing in 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimensional. So now in the today's session we will be going to learn about packing efficiency. What is meant by packing efficiency? Packing efficiency means, dear students, see here, this is one ideal crystal. What is meant by the ideal crystal? Ideal crystal means in which the particles are arranged in its own lattice point. The particles are arranged in its own lattice point is known as an ideal crystal, or ideal crystal can be defined as it is having a zero entropy. It is having zero entropy in which lattice points are situated in its original position is known as ideal crystal. So this is our ideal crystal. Packing efficiency means what? Packing efficiency means it is the percentage of particles occupied a space in a crystal. Percentage of particles occupied a space in a crystal. A space in a crystal is known as packing efficiency. Dear student, packing efficiency means, see this one, these are the particles are occupied a position in a crystal. So how many particles are occupied, how many space or how much percentage of space, that is known as packing efficiency. So it is not a packing efficiency, okay? It is known as a void. Void means what? The empty space between the particles or the empty space between the spheres is known as a void. So now packing efficiency means this particles is occupied this position, and then likewise all these particles are occupied this position is known as a packing efficiency. So in this session we will be going to discuss about 3 derivations of packing efficiency for the simple cube body centered cube as well as space centered cube. In this you should have the 3 types of formula. First one is packing fraction. First one is a packing fraction formula. What is the packing fraction formula? Packing fraction formula is given by volume occupied by atoms. What is the first one? Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Divided by volume of unit cell. Okay. Packing fraction is nothing but volume occupied by atoms or volume occupied by the sphere. You already know about that. Each sphere is having its volume how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now packing fraction is volume occupied by atoms. That atoms are spherical in shape and then divided by volume of unit cell. Now second one is packing efficiency. It is very important because in our today's session we will be going to deal with this packing efficiency in cubic system as well as space centered system as well as body centered system. So now packing efficiency is given by, it is the packing fraction into 100. Why we are taken here packing fraction, okay? Into 100 means volume occupied by atoms, volume of unit cell means packing fraction means here the volume of the atoms to the total volume of the cell. So ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡವಲ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳತ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ 100% ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ packing efficiency. So now next one is formula, that is the void is there. Void is nothing but the empty space between these particles. The empty space between these particles is known as a void. So now in this void is nothing but, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೈತಿ, ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ void ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is the 100 minus packing efficiency. Is it right? ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೈತಿ ಅದ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವೈಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡೈತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಳೀರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಆರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ you have to remember this one. This is about the packing fraction, packing efficiency, and then wide. Now let's we move here one by one packing efficiency. First one I will take here, that is the simple cube. In a simple cube, whether it is acts as an primitive cell or that is a non-primitive cell. In simple cube, it is primitive. Okay. Why it is a primitive? Because all the particles are present at the corners only. It is 3-dimensional, and in this one all the particles are present at the corners only. Here it containing a edge length A, and then it is also y-axis in A, z-axis in also A. Means edge length is A. So now first one I am taking here, edge length is equal to, edge length is A. Next again, volume of unit cell, volume of unit cell. What is the volume of unit cell? Volume is nothing but it is in the 3-dimensional region. It containing length, width as well as height. So now A into A, how much? That is the A cube. So now here you can take that is A cube. And next one is rank. What is rank? Rank means, okay, rank means here the number of atoms per unit cell. Number of atoms per unit cell. In cubic unit cell, the number of atoms per unit cell means it represented by 1. Okay, represented by 1. Next one is, I will call this one relation in R and A. I will call this one relation in R and A. So now A is equal to 2R. A is equal to 2R. See here, in a simple cube, I am taking only in one dimension is here. Okay, the particles is presented like this one. And then it is the sphere. It is also in spherical shape. It is containing radius R. It is also containing radius R. And then what is the edge length? That is the A. So now here A is equal to R plus R. How much its value is? 2R. So now what is the value of A? Is equal to 2R. Now your duty, you want to substitute all those values and to find out the packing efficiency of the cubic unit cell. So now I will going to substitute all these values in the packing fraction formula. What is the packing fraction? Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell. What is the volume occupied by atoms? What is the volume? Here atoms, how many number? 1 number. These all are in spherical shape, means its value 4 by 3 pi r cube. So therefore 4 divided by 3 pi r cube divided by, what is there? Volume of unit cell. What is the volume of unit cell? A cube. So now next you have to substitute this value. 1 into 4 by 3 means 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the A cube value or what is the A value? 2R. Then you have to substitute in this one. This is about the 2R whole cube. Okay. Then you can solve this term. 4R divided by pi r cube divided by 2R cube means 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 8. Okay. 8R cube. Here this r cube and this r cube get cancels. Sorry, this is a 4 by 3. This r cube and this r cube get cancels. Okay. So now here this is the 4 by 3 pi by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. What is the remaining? Pi by 6. What is the pi value? 3.142. 3.142 divided by 6, it gives that is the 0.52%. Its value is 0.52%. Now next one is packing efficiency. What is the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency is nothing but that is the packing fraction into 100. What is the packing fraction value? 0.52 into 100 is equal to 52%. 0.52 into 100 is equal to 52%. Now next one is wide. Wide is equal to, okay, wide is equal to, what is that one? Wide 100 minus packing efficiency. It is the 100 and then what is the packing efficiency? 52. What is the value? 48% of wide. So it is about the cubic unit cell. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2r. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರು ನಡೀತೈತೆ ರೀ, ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು ನಡೀತೈತೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಿಮಗೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ 52 ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ, ವೈಡ್ 48% ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್. Dear students, next one is that is the BCC. BCC, whether it is a primitive or non-primitive? Yes, it is a non-primitive. Why it is non-primitive? Because in this one the particles is present at the corners as well as one will be the center. Particles is present at the corner and one will be the center. Now I will call it as A, B or A, B, C and it is about the D. Okay. So now again E, F, G, H. Here again I am taking first one is edge length. What is the edge length is A. Edge length is A. So now next one is volume. Volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell is A cube because it is 3-dimensional. It containing A. So means A into A how much? That is the A cube. Next one is rank. Rank means number of particles per unit cell or number of atoms per unit cell. In the BCC, what is the number of atoms? That is 2. Next one is relation in R and A. Relation in R and A means A is equal to here 4R divided by root 3. A is equal to 4R divided by root 3. See in this one, A is equal to 4R by root 3 means first you can take the triangle EFD because here the particles are present like this one. It is containing R and then it is also R. You can take first one from triangle EFD. From triangle EFD is equal to FD square. FD square is equal to EF square plus ED square. EF square plus ED square. So now EF square, what is the value of EF square? It is all are containing the edge length A. So therefore A square. Similarly ED square, it containing A square. Okay. A square plus A square means how much? That is the 2A square. FD square is equal to 2A square. Now next one is from the triangle AFD. From the triangle AFD, you can take here AF square is equal to AF square is equal to AD square plus FD square. AD square plus FD square. AF square. AF square is nothing but here R. So now here 4R square. AF square is equal to 4R square. AD square is equal to again A square. FD square already you have a value here 2A square. 2A square. So now here 4R square is equal to A square plus 2A square is nothing but 3A square. So therefore commonly A is equal to 4R divided by root 3. And next one, you can go for packing fraction. What is the formula for packing fraction? Here, volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of a unit cell. Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of a unit cell. Here, volume occupied by atoms means how many number of atoms are there? 2. Volume means these atoms are present in the spherical shape. So, therefore, it is containing 4 by 3 pi r cube value divided by volume of unit cell. What is the volume of unit cell? Means A cube. Now, next one is 2 into 4 by 3, that is the 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. What is the value of A here? 4r divided by root 3. 4r divided by root 3 cube, and then you can solve this one. Now here 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by, it goes to above and it will become a reverse, 4r cube. I will write like this one, 4 into 4 into 4. 4r cube ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ರೀ, ಈ ಟೈಪಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೇನೋ, 4 into 4 into 4 and then r cube, and then it is the r cube, and then root 3 cube. root 3 cube ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರೀತೇನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ root 3 into root 3 into root 3. ಹೌದಾ? This is the root 3 cube, 4 cube, r cube. In this one, 4 ones are 4 twos. Again 2 ones are 2 twos. And then r cube get cancels. See here, root 3 into root 3. It can be written, that is the 3. Root 3 into root 3 value is 3. So now these 3 get cancels. What is the remaining here? Pi into, what is this one? Root 3 divided by 4 into 2. How much? 8. So now pi value is 3.142 into root 3 value divided by 8. Now its answer is, that is the 0.68. 0.68. Now next one is, you have to find out the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. What is the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency means, that is the packing fraction into 100. What is the packing fraction value? 0.68 into 100 is equal to 68. Now next one is, that is the wide. Wide means its formula is 100 minus packing efficiency. What is the packing efficiency value is here? 68. So now 100 minus 68, its value is, that is the 32% of wide is there. Packing fraction 0.68, packing efficiency wide. This is about the BCC. If you want this one, you can take a screenshot. Okay. Dear student, next one is, that is the FCC, face centered cube. Face centered cube means the particles is present at the corner as well as on the faces also. Particles is present at the corner as well as on the faces. It is the one back side and one front side. It is our FCC structure. Similarly, it is also containing a edge length as well as radius. So, first one is again edge length. What is the edge length of this unit cell? Same, A. And then next one. What is that next one? Volume of unit cell. What is the volume of unit cell? Elladukku common agi bartatri. What is that one? A cube. Because it is 3-dimensional structure, A into A into A cube. Now next one is rank. Rank means number of atoms per unit cell. In space centered cube ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? 4. It is the 4. Now next one is relation in R and A. That is A is equal to, relation in R and A is equal to 4R by root 2. 4R by root 2. See here, I am taking only one face, that is considered as a above face. It is containing the particles is corner, and then one will be the on face. Okay. In this one, these are the particles, radius, and then it is also radius, a radius. Again, I am taking ABC triangle. In this one, from the ABC triangle, it is given by triangle ABC is equal to, in this AC square is equal to AB square plus, that is the BC square. AB square plus BC square. AB square is nothing but again A square. BC square is nothing but again A square. And then AC square. It given by 4R square. AC square is 4R square. So now here 4R square is equal to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. Now I want A value. So therefore you can solve first this one. 4R is equal to root 2 into A. So now what is the value of A? A is equal to 4R divided by root 2. A is equal to 4R divided by root 2. Now next one is find out the packing fraction. What is the packing fraction? Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Volume occupied by atoms means how many number of atoms are present in this one? 4 number. Okay, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of unit cell. What is the volume of unit cell in this one? A cube. Okay, so now here you want to solve this one. This is about the 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by, what is the A value? Substitute A value in this one, 4R by root 2 cube. You can solve. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4R cube and then root 2 cube is there. Now I will write like this one in a simple way. This is the 4R cube. So now 4 into 4 into 4 and then into R cube. And then what about this one? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2. See here, this 4 get cancels. Again this 4 get cancels. R cube get cancels. Now in this one, root 2 into root 2. What is the value? Root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. So therefore 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is the remaining in this one? That is the pi into root 2 divided by 3 into 6. 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So now you have to substitute the pi value. 3.142 into root 2 divided by 6 is nothing but that is a 0.74. Now next one, you have to find out packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means that is the packing fraction into 100. What is the value of packing fraction? 0.74 into 100. What is the answer? That is the 74%. 74% of packing efficiency. Now next one is wide percentage. Wide percentage means 100 minus packing efficiency. What is your packing efficiency value? 74. So now what is the answer? 26% of the wide is there. This is about FCC. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ FCC ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. Okay, dear student, let me see here summary of the packing efficiency. Because now in this summary, I can take some simple column to make a derivation so easy. Okay, so now first one is unit cell. Next one is I am taking that is edge length as well as volume. Just I am writing here edge as well as volume. Next one is rank, means particles present in the per unit cell. Now next I am taking that is the relation in R and A. Next one you can go for packing fraction. Next one is packing efficiency. Next one is wide. ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇದೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ CET ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವುದೈತ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, BCC ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ A ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಐತಿ, A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, 1. BCC ಒಳಗೆ 2, FCC ಒಳಗೆ 4. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ R ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, A ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2R. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, A ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4R/√3. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, A ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4R/√2. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, 0.52. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನ 0.68. FCC 0.74. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟು 100. 0.52 ಇಂಟು 100 ಹೌ ಮಚ್, 52%. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 68%. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 74%. Now next one wide. Wide is nothing but 100 minus packing efficiency. 100 minus 52, 48%. 100 minus 68, 32%. 100 minus 74, 26%. This is about a very simple to remember the packing efficiency. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, what is the what type of unit cell containing the highest packing efficiency? See here in this one, it is a 0.52, 0.68 and it is 0.74. What will be the highest? Exactly FCC, because it is a 0.74. So commonly it is having a highest packing fraction value. And then similarly packing efficiency is a 74. And then next one, what will be the lowest wide percentage in the unit cell? Unit cell lowest wide percentage ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, that is obviously FCC. Why it is showing the lowest wide? Because here the particles are occupied 74% of the space in a crystal. So therefore wide is a smaller as compared to that is a packing efficiency. More number of particles ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ wide ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? So now in FCC, otherwise FCC ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the particles is present at the corners as well as on the faces. On the faces ಮತ್ತೆ corners ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ number of particles ಏನದು ರೀ, highest ಅದು. number of particles highest ಅದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ space occupied ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ highest ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ವೈಡ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತವೆ. 52 ಐತಿ, 48 ಐತಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಅದೇ BCC ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೈತನ್ನ ಇದ್ರ ವೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 32% ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ 68% ಬರ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 derivations, because these 3 derivations are very important for your examination purpose. One will be a fix for 3 marks question. You have to practice these 3 derivations. You can easily remember, or you can first refer this easy column, then you can easily try to derive that derivations. Okay, next part we will see in the next session of our video lecture. Just wait for that one. Thank you.